Frustrated with guessing where price will turn? What if you could catch clean swings using simple lines and clear rules? This is the simple ZigZag swing trading strategy. Powerful yet easy. Using ZigZag indicator, filters market noise and reveals swing lows and highs. Trend filter, EMA, shows overall market direction. MACD or oscillator, confirms momentum. Buy rules. Market is bullish. Price trading above the EMA trend filter. ZigZag forms a higher low swing momentum indicator, like MACD turns bullish. Enter a buy when the current candle closes above the recent swing high. Sell rules. Market is bearish. Price trading below the EMA ZigZag shows a lower high swing momentum indicator turns bearish. Enter a sell when the current candle closes below the recent swing low. This strategy helps you enter on real swings, not noise. Place your stop loss just beyond the previous swing high-low and risk no more than 1 to 2% per trade. Use H1 to H4 charts to ride swing moves with more accuracy. Swing with the trend, catch real moves, not false breakouts. Download free indicators and templates at forexmt4indicators.com. Trade smarter, not choppier.